Leslie McDonnell with Remax Select Properties, welcoming you to 5921 Ontario Street. This home is located on Ontario Street at the cross of 43rd in the Oakridge area of Vancouver West. The entrance to this home is a lovely foyer with huge tall ceilings, chandelier, and crusading staircase. The main level of this home features a large sunken-in living room with gas fireplace, a wonderful dining area where you can entertain with your friends and family. In the kitchen, there's lots of counter space and cabinets to cook up all of your desires. And a nice little eating area as well. And of course, a family room where you can gather around the gas fireplace and enjoy some quality time. And of course, a bathroom on the main level, just to make things easier for everyone. On the upper level of this home, you've got 3 generous-sized bedrooms. The master has an ensuite and walk-in closet. And the 2 other bedrooms are a lovely generous size with a bathroom for them to share. This family home is just blocks from Sir William Van Horne Elementary School, as well as the Oakridge Shopping Centre. If you've got questions about this home, perhaps you can see yourself living here, do give me a call. Leslie McDonnell with Remax Select Properties. My number is 778-838-2378, 778-838-2378. I look forward to hearing from you.